Good evening, everybody. So, I hope you guys had a great week and you guys are ready for your weekend. And I hope you guys are getting ready for the holidays as well. We're still almost there. So, anyways, before I start, I just wanted to show you guys that we were currently having like construction in the kitchen. Like they had to paint all the drawers and the cupboards and stuff, especially like over here. It's all white, and especially in the living room, they paint the whole thing like brownish black. So they did a really good job. We actually had the people coming over to do that. And another thing is that they had to seal everything up, including the kitchen and the living room. The dishwasher was also sealed up, and the microwave and oven were also sealed up, like everything. And as you can see, the refrigerator has not been put back together yet, but we will momentarily. Anyways, so it has been like a week since we have not been using this dishwasher, and I want to see if it still works. So I checked it earlier off camera and it's still good condition, but I wanted to see if it still works. So we're going to probably do a quick wash. I'm going to do the quick wash cycle with no options, I think. Yep, no options. So anyways, here we go. Let's do this. Okay, it's working. Oh, and for demonstration purposes, let's do that. It's also first time. Sorry guys, but first time being on in a week. There's no smell at least, but I just wanted to make it fresh, so. Yeah, we'll put everything back together later this weekend. Also, you guys saw the previous video I uploaded, which is testing out the scent beads. They smell strong. They smell strong, so I probably should use less when I do my everyday wear. Alright, anyways, enjoy the video, guys. Oh my gosh. I miss this thing, guys. Still. Yep, it still does. Perfect. Sounds healthy, guys. see if I can get my phone. I'll be back. It's so good. It's doing a good job. And we might not feel that much heat because this is the quick wash. Okay, so the first rinse is going to be probably the shortest of them all, and the final rinse will be kind of like the same as the main wash, but I don't know. So I'm gonna do a stopwatch. God, my sister's annoying. Okay. It probably always uses the same water when it's It does the washes and the rinses. I think I do like that. Okay. See how long it's going to be. So really, so 2 minutes. One moment. Sorry about the background noise. Sorry about the background noise, guys. There was like a vacuum cleaner running, but one of the rooms had to be really need to be vacuumed. But anyways, let's continue. And one thing I would like to note is I like how it saves time. When I open the dishwasher, it pauses everything. It actually uses heat in this cycle, for those of you guys don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and reset this. And then the final rinse. I can't believe the first rinse took like 2 minutes. I think that is similar to the Whirlpool dishwasher. you're not over yet, guys, so... Yeah. I tested this out and it still works. But
Won't want to shut all the way, right?
not all the way.
Just for a day, maybe open it for a day.
Are we?
Get it all correct.
I know. So I'm doing the quick wash, and on the first rinse it takes like 2 minutes. Like what? Yeah, we need to have to clean that off too. I feel like I'm missing something. These things, these 2 things.
Yes, they're all right here.
Oh, okay. All right. I need to have to.
They all have to be adjusted.
I need to have to pay attention to the. Alright, let's see how long this one will be. I think this is the last rinse, believe it or not. Let's hope it won't be 2 minutes again as rinsing gets in there and it, like, rinsing will slowly dispense, but not all. So it's probably going to take like from either 3 minutes, either 3, 4, or 5 minutes. I'm not exactly sure. Right now we are after 2 minutes. So 3 minutes. Wow. that's it. There you go. So I'll open this up and we'll check this out. Oh, there it is. There you go. Oh. It's not even that hot. I mean... let's... Okay, so let's see if it's all the way drained. Well, there you go. Looks like the dishwasher works good. Let's go open this up so we can let it cool. And that will be the end of this video. We will, tomorrow I'm planning to run the cleaner in this dishwasher, but that's going to be off camera because I'm going to be doing the sanitize, like the normal wash with sanitize. Anyways, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and have a great weekend, guys.